Well, good morning. It's Wednesday, day 38. Some mornings my hand feels pretty good, and some mornings it hurts like hell. And it's getting harder and harder for me to work that thumb enough to get to where I can lift up my weights in the morning. I don't know what caused it. I don't know what started it. I just know that it's swelled up more today than it has been. I don't know how to fix it. But I will say this. I'm going to keep going. And I really don't want to, because it freaking hurts. Let me tell you, it hurts. I wanted to try something new today. I thought about it last night. I want to try to add some reps to my sets. I don't know how good I'm going to do with this hand today. We're going to find out. If I can get it in the right position, it doesn't hurt so bad. But it's just getting it in that position. Okay. All right. I don't know if I can do 15 curls. We'll try. It's that hand that's limiting me. $50. Might have to set the weights down for a minute. We'll see. Oh, shrugs, I forgot. Oh, gotta set them down for a second. That 5 extra reps, first workout of the morning, I don't know that I can do that every time, all 3 sets. But the way you get stronger is by pushing yourself. I thought about just adding another set. That would be 10 reps of each. But then I thought about it last night, and I thought, if I add 5 reps to each set, that's an extra 15 reps instead of 10 reps for one more set. So let me see if I can do 15 squats. I don't know, but you don't know if you don't try. Holy shit. That extra 5 reps, man. Remember, I was already doing 15 of the triceps, so we're adding 5 to that as well. I don't know that I can do that all 3 sets, but if I can do that on the first set and then do my normal 10 reps on the other 2 sets, and then add that extra 5 reps in on the second set as I get stronger, and then add it to the third set. That's the goal this time. One step at a time, my friends. Those extra reps are going to help me burn more energy, build more muscle, build more strength, and burn more fat. So increasing the reps on the first set, at least for now. That wears me out. That was my first time increasing the reps, and maybe I should have just went to 12, but if I can do 15, why not do 15? I mean, I had to push to get through that, but I feel better about myself when I push myself. So I really wish this hand would heal. I'm not stopping. Wednesday, day 38. Please hit the like button, click the subscribe button, share the video, throw me some love. I will see you tomorrow.